What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be downloading SQL Server on a local computer. This is very helpful if you're a student and you're working on learning database design, or if you're working from home and you want to create a instance for yourself to be testing things or just to learn it. So we're going to go to the Microsoft page and download SQL Server Studio. This download is pretty big, so you might want to take some time and take it slow. I mean, for me, it took about 2 minutes, but I'm fast forwarding it a little so the video is not so long. In the meantime, go ahead and hit the like button because this is going to be very helpful. Now we're going to be installing Microsoft Studio. Make sure you select a place where you have enough space. This installation is taking a little bit longer than I expected. I want to just take the time to hope everyone's doing well, and if you're watching this video in the future, hey, we're surviving COVID-19, so it's almost going to be done. Alright, let's get back to the installation. Alright, so the installation is finally complete. Let's go ahead and open Microsoft Studio. Alright guys, so now we have SQL Server Studio open. As you can see, we can't connect to any SQL servers themselves because we don't have any. So let's go ahead and go back to our SQL Server Studio and let's download SQL Server itself. So this is a smaller installation. I would choose the Express settings just because we're not doing a lot in it as of now. And it works fine if you're going to be creating databases just for testing, or if you're a student and building a project on it. Alright, so I'm going to choose basic installation here. Accept the terms of service. Make sure you select a place suitable for your database. So this is where the actual files are going to live. Alright guys, so let's go to SQL Server Studio now. Go ahead and click on File, click on Server Name, and let's select the server we just downloaded. It should have the name of your desktop connected. Now that it's connected, you can actually create a database inside of this server instance. So let's create a new database. For my database, I'm gonna name it, let's just name it Database Test. I think that's a good name. Alright guys, so now we have created a database. Now we can actually create tables. For the purpose of this video and just to simplify things, I'm just copying and pasting a query from online. This will create a table with user, the person's name, last name, address, and city. As you can see, it has been successfully created. So this is very simple. Obviously your project would, is going to need a lot different things and a lot more information, but as you can see, this is working now. So now we can go ahead and see what our table created. So it created a name, a type, and you can select if you want it to be no or not, and you can make changes on here as well, or you can write queries to make the changes. As you progress and get better at database design, you're going to be doing a lot more queries and less of the object oriented. Hopefully this was helpful. If you guys are interested in a video where I build a database with relationships and normalize it, please leave a like and a comment below. Thank you.